Okay, I just remembered that I have a bread machine. I got it about a year ago. I used it a few times and then I had my daughter and I completely forgot about it. So I had my husband bring it up from the basement. We're gonna clean it and make some bread. Here it is, a little bit dusty because it's literally been sitting in the basement for a year. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and then we're gonna make some bread. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. I hope it turns out well. I just took a random recipe that I found on Google. All right, gonna close this. Ooh. Ooh. So I didn't do anything fancy. I just did like a plain white sandwich bread kind of thing. But I think I'm gonna make some like cinnamon honey butter to like put on it, and we're gonna be watching a movie. It's only 5 o'clock now, and that'll be done in 3 hours. So at 8 o'clock, we'll have a fresh loaf of bread as we watch our movie. So I'll see you guys in 3 hours. Okay, the bread finished cooking. I don't know how this came out again. I just used a random recipe. It came right out. Wow. It looks like a proper loaf of bread. Wow. I should let this cool. But I really won't go into it now. I'm contemplating. I don't like end pieces. Carl, you want to try some of my bread? Carl, come on. Come on. If it wasn't 9:30, I would have like made like the cinnamon. Now it's obvious the height difference between us. Can you bend down so I can see you? Okay, try a piece. Come on.
There's hair on it. There's hair on it. See, I can show the camera.
Sorry.
I don't want that piece.
I have that one. Yeah, I think it's good. It's just plain bread. We just finished a movie. So I think now we're gonna go to bed. Yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.